Good morning, YouTube, Facebook, anybody who's paying attention from anywhere else. Today we're going to replace the charge port on a Samsung tablet. These are really common. We do these ones all the time. Let's see if we can show you. Yeah, all mashed. It's not going to charge anymore. Well, got you like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. We're going to start doing some giveaways on the YouTube channel, I think. I don't know what we're going to give away yet. Give me some ideas. What do you think? See if we get a bit of action, a bit of interaction. That'd be good. So, as we said yesterday, we're gonna use heat. We like to be nice and hot. Get in there and get out. About 10 centimeters. Want it to be just bearable, you know. And that's on most heaters. They're all different. People say what sort of heats and temperatures and things. You've just got to know your machine, and you've got to get used to it. See in there, yep. Just going to apply a little bit of flux. Super easy. Not super easy. Just going to apply enough heat. You can sort of see when it sort of starts to get enough heat. And if you give a bit of a tap, you don't want to lift it. You want to know that it's loose first. If you lift it, you're going to pull those pads off every time. Right, so just let it heat up. You can see that the solder changes colour, and the actual metal here changes colour as well. And then you know it's time to come off. Keep the heat on there. Much easier than having to go back to it. Put the new one on. Take the heat off. Let it cool. Alright. We're going to apply a bit more flux. Helps if you've got your soldering iron turned on. Definitely helps a lot. Go through and touch up each of those pins now. And for a bit of strength, just going to fill these holes up a bit. See, as you can see in there, it's not full. It's not actually making a good solid connection. So you're gonna get in there with the charger cable, and then they'll end up pulling the pads off, and be back for warranty. And so make sure you do the full job. Run over these guys, bit of fresh solder. Just like that. Job done. New charge cord. It's not going to budge. All those pins are connected. Cleanliness is key. You must be clean. If you're not clean, it's not going to work. You'll have other problems. Other components won't work. So yeah, give me a like, give me a shout out, share it even, that'd be really cool. Comment, what do you think we can do for some giveaways to get a bit of attention on the channel? Maybe some gaming stuff, gaming keyboards, gaming mice, I don't know, something like that. Maybe we can give away a tablet, that'd be pretty cool. Let me know in the comments. Alright, thanks guys, cheers.